Hi guys, welcome back to channel. Today we are discussing how to apply Oman e-visa. Before starting section, if you are watching my channel first time, please subscribe. First step will be the registration. You can do the registration with your email ID. And for applying e-visa, only eligible for some certain nationality. And if you are a GCC resident, that also you can apply e-visa. For Indians, only able to apply e-visa if you have GCC residency from this portal. We can see here tourism and PR or sponsor. For tourist, actually able to access for public, and PR or sponsor only possible for applying visa from Oman, from an Omani-based company. After the registration, you will reach on this screen, and from here you have to select apply for visa, apply for unsponsored visa, and you have to enter some of your details like what's your nationality, and they're asking here nationality, so I'm just selecting here India for just for reference. They're asking are you a resident of GCC country, so I'm just mentioning here no. And if you don't have GCC residency, actually you cannot able to apply the visa from here, because if you don't have GCC residency, there are some certain category only able to apply the visa for Indian nationality. So they just listed here truck drivers and tourist visit visa 26E, that is for accompanying someone in Oman, like they mentioned some certain nationality also. This is basically for some case to case, some certain people they are targeting. So only public can access. If you have a GCC residency, then you can access this portal. And if you have a GCC residency, you have still option to get visa on arrival. And if you don't want to wait long time in the visa process in the immigration, then you can, this is a good option, you can take the e-visa. E-visa only cost you 5 Omani Riyal. Now we can see if we have a valid GCC residency, what are the category they are providing. So this is a visa category they are providing here, and you can see here they are listed several category. And for actually for you, if you have a GCC residency, you have to select here 29A GCC resident. That is the correct category, and you need to apply with your dependent family members like spouse and children. After you applying your visa, then you have to apply for them 29B, that is a category for a dependent. So that's the main important things you need to make sure. So the main applicant 29A and 29B for dependent. So they are listed here some approved occupation. So occupation is included skilled and unskilled profession. So it's not a problem for others also. So you can see here these are listed profession: technicians, engineers, doctors, medicals, everything, all profession, normal profession also they listed. Then it's not issue for anyone. Anyone looking Oman visa assistance, in case you don't have a GCC residency, you are staying in India, that also we can help you. You can contact us, we can help you with the reasonable charges. Now we can see what is the condition for a 29A GCC resident visa, and this is visa fees for 5 Omani Riyal, and for condition must be outside of Oman, and must be residency. This is the country visa validity must be 6 months. So you need 6 month validity for this is a residency. You have to arrange passport copy, passport front and back page, passport minimum 6 month validity, and your photo and your national ID front and back page. So these are documents we need to upload for the 29A. So once the 29A is approved, and you need to apply your dependent, so you have to uh, come here the same portal, and you have to select 29B, and you have to apply for them, and you have to attach your passport number also. Then it will be club as a family application, and it will be speed up the approval of the visa. So you can only access 29B after approval of 29A application. Main applicant got the visa, then only you can apply 29B category for dependent. Now we can see how to apply the visa. Click on apply. Then you have to log in your portal, and you have to enter your basic details like your passport details, your family details, and you can see here the 29A, this is a resident, and this is a travel document details we have to apply, and additional detail they will ask us to mention your GCC residency details, and from where you're applying, your mother name, that is the mandatory detail. You have to enter as per your passport, because Indian passport have a back page, they mention all the family details, so you have to mention same as per the passport. And we have to upload the documents like passport, photo, GCC residency, and national ID copy we need to upload. Then we have to submit and make the payment. Visa update will get within 3 working days. So I'm just mentioning here all just for reference. So when you are filling your application, you have to make sure the details you have to take from the passport. And now you can see here additional document they're asking: mother's name and GCC occupation name, previous, if you have previous visa, and there will be previous visa number you have to mention, marital status, and your detailed contact number, and applying from which country, your email ID, country of residency, name of the country last so you visited. This is not mandatory, but if you have, then you can mention it. Then you have to upload document and make the payment. Like that the process is going on. So anyone looking assistant for Oman visa, even if you have GCC resident, or if you don't have GCC residence, you are staying in India, you can contact us. We can help you with the reasonable charges. Hope you guys understand about Oman e-visa. Any question, any doubt, you can put on comment. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on a section. Thank you.